Mamata Banerjee, in fact, has sought intervention of Prime Minister in this second letter. We have more breaking inputs coming in. The anger over Kolkata horror grows. BJP intensifies protest against the TMC. There's a mega protest on the streets of Kolkata. We'll try and connect with the reporters and also get you the latest visuals. In fact, they are on your screen of the protest which is currently underway. BJP is intensifying the protest against TMC. We have Tapas on the broadcast. Tapas, on one hand, Mamata Banerjee has penned a second letter to Prime Minister seeking his intervention, and now BJP on the streets of Kolkata intensifying its protest.
Well, yes, absolutely. In one hand, Mamata Banerjee wrote to the Prime Minister for the second time, requesting him for an urgent intervention as far as setting up a fast-track court and punishment for the rape accused. And on the other hand, BJP is only intensifying protests here in Kolkata. We are standing at Salt Lake, Karunamai right now. You can see huge amount of police forces deployed, especially the Mahila police forces have been deployed in this area. The rapid action forces deployed. Actually, the Mahila Morcha of the BJP have planned to gather here and march towards the West Bengal Women's Commission office in Salt Lake to lock that office completely, since they allege that that here in Bengal there's no safety and security for women, and henceforth there's no requirement for Mahila Commission office, and henceforth they have planned to gather here and also march towards the West Bengal Women's Commission office. But what we have been given to understand that senior leadership of the BJP have been picked up en route to this very place and from different locations, and like Lokesh Chatterjee have been picked up around 3-4 kilometers away from where we are standing right now, and whenever the protesters are gathering in small numbers, they have been picked up by police, and huge bandobast have been made by the Vidhan Nagar Police Commissioner in order to avoid any law and order situation. Police have categorically stated that this rally do not have a permission, and henceforth this rally will not be allowed to venture any further. So police bandobast is absolutely intact here. But the BJP leadership, the senior leadership of the BJP Mahila Morcha are yet to arrive in this place. But BJP alleges that en route to this very place, several of the BJP senior Mahila leaders have been picked up by police at different interception point, and now other protesters are also in and around this area, but they haven't gathered as of now here. Few have come here, but they were picked up by police immediately, as this rally do not have a permission. So given the situation, the standoff continues between the BJP and the state government here. One after the other rallies are being taken out, and now this RG Kar movement have taken a political turn. We had seen Congress, we had seen left, and we are seeing BJP organizing series of rallies in and around Kolkata.
Right, BJP is organizing series of rallies. Yes, Tapas, stay on with us.